Hey everyone, it's Neda. Today I'm drawing a cute little princess. I'm starting with a circle and a simple guideline, and then some basic shapes for the torso, skirt, arms and hands to help place everything. Now I'm drawing two round shapes for the pupils and adding two small circles for the highlights. Then I draw two bold curved lines above the eyes for the top lashes and also add a couple of side lashes. Just above the eyes, I lightly sketch her eyebrows with short angled lines to give them a nice curve. I add a curved nose and a soft little smile. Then I draw the lower part of the face. I add a middle part in her hair to help frame everything nicely. I also add simple round ears on each side. Now I'm drawing her tiny neck and shoulders. From there, I sketch the upper body and add in the shoulder puffs. I'm drawing a big, round and soft bell shape for her skirt. On each side, I draw two curved lines for the arms, keeping the shapes gentle and loose. Then I add her hands and tiny fingers. I'm placing the crown right on top of her head. From there, I go back in to finish the rest of her long hair. I'm also adding a few details to her dress, just simple curves and shapes. Everything's in place and she's ready for some color. I'm darkening the top of the pupils and leaving the bottom a bit lighter. Then I'm coloring her skin and adding a soft rosy tone to her nose, cheeks, lips and body to bring her to life. I follow the sketch lines while coloring the hair to bring out the shape. Then I add color to the tiara and her dress, keeping everything balanced and soft. For the final touches, I'm adding a few lines and strands to the hair. I'm also adding some soft shadows on her skirt and on the floor. And that's it. The little princess is all done and ready to dance. Let me know in the comments what you like to see in the next tutorial. I'll see you soon.